Welcome to my channel and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Christopher and I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch this video. I do appreciate you. Look y'all, today I'm gonna go over an unfortunate event that happened to me recently on a Facebook Marketplace group. I was actually scammed out of some money for a bag. I know this happens all the time, but I wanted to share my experience with y'all so that it may not happen to you, and maybe I can help you if you're buying something not to get scammed, because it was very disappointing and heartbreaking. It was only $75 I lost, but just the hope that I was actually gonna get this item that I wanted, that I had been looking for about a year or more, and I'll tell you what it is in just a minute. Before I share all this information with you though, I do want to say thanks to all my returning subscribers. If you're new to my channel and you love luxury, handbags, and fashion as much as I do, please consider subscribing by hitting that subscribe button today and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. If you'd like to follow me on any of my other social medias, y'all please hop on over. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok, and I post images and stuff on Instagram all the time of stuff I review, bag stylings, etc., etc. And for everything else Mad Hatter, definitely check out my beacon links. It's gonna be the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find lots of great information there, shopping links, discount codes, and you can also shop my Depop closet as well. And I'm about to add a Mercari shop as well, so definitely check those out. With all that being said, if everybody could just take one moment, stop and give this video a big thumbs up. I need some love, y'all, for being scammed. So please hit that thumbs up button for me on this video. I appreciate y'all. And y'all, let's get into it. So let me tell you a little bit about this situation. So if you know this channel and you know me, I love my Rowans. I have many Rowans here. I'll just show you a few I've got here. This is the smaller ones here. This is the Pride collection I have from years ago. And then this is the rainbow pastel one I have here. I love this bag. I love all of the colors on it. And then I recently got this medium one here in the loved canvas. I haven't used it yet, but I love it. Then some of my large ones, these are the ones I really love because these are my size bags, is this beautiful large Rowan in the black here. This one right here is so pretty and I love the charm on it there. Then I have the powder pink one I got as well, which I had to track down. And if y'all follow my channel, you know the struggles I've had to go through to get some of these bags. But this is another one here. I got this one in Puerto Rico. I love this one too. We got this one at the Coach store in Puerto Rico on a cruise. So I definitely will never get rid of that one because it has memories with it. But here is the denim one too. You know, I struggled to get this one. I went across 2 states to get this one, y'all. It's been a struggle, but apparently the struggle continues because I've been looking for the original denim that came out in 2025. That signature denim everybody has the large of that nobody seems to want to part with. And I've been searching for one for over a year now. And I really thought I had one narrowed down in this Facebook Marketplace group called Coach Bag Lovers. So I came across this lady, her name was Sierra Johnson, and she had one. She posted a video of it. I'll show you some stuff here, the video and the ad and stuff, and I'll post her Facebook so you'll know exactly what this scammer looks like so you won't be scammed yourself. But she has been removed from the group recently. I did reach out to the administrator after all this happened, and they did remove her, it looks like, because I checked back today. She's not on there anymore. We're not friends anymore on Facebook. She actually added me as a Facebook friend, but she asked me to pay for this bag through Apple Pay or either Zelle. So if that's the first flag. If anybody ever asks you to pay, but with anything besides PayPal, don't do it. It's probably a scam. And also, y'all, if it's just too good to be true, then it's probably a scam. I've learned my lesson and I should have known better, but I was so excited to get this large Rowan because I had been searching for it for so long that I fell for everything that she told me. And she had all of the answers, all of the lies and everything. I'll show you some of the text here and we'll go over and I'll read a little bit of it. But yes, she was very rude to me. And then she started saying I was rude to her. It was a whole hot mess, but I'm over it now and the situation's done. I lost my $75, but I've learned a lesson and I'm hoping that I can help y'all as well by showing y'all as well what happened here. Like I said, she asked me to pay with Apple Pay or either Zelle, and I should have known better then, but so if you pay with Apple Pay, you're just done. There's nothing you're gonna do to get your money back if you get scammed. So I paid for the item, the $75 to Apple Pay. It was just a partial payment and I was gonna give her the rest when I got the bag. She said, oh yeah, that'll be fine. But yeah, so I sent the money through Apple Pay. It was done, it was a done deal. She had my information, my shipping information. And then she sent out a tracking number. She actually sent a tracking number. So I wait and I had these red flags in my mind. I was like, something just is not sitting right. For one, the package that she sent, I went and looked at the tracking, was coming from Michigan when she told me she was shipping it from Atlanta. That was flag number one. Flag number 2, I looked, the weight of the package was only a pound. Well, you know, and I know, a rowan is at least 3 to 4 pounds in a package. So I was like, well, I'm gonna get something, but it's not gonna be a rowan. But we'll wait and see what happens, and it'll just be amusing at this point because my money's gone, I can't get it back. So a couple of days go by and she's like, here's your tracking number. So yeah, so the tracking starts, here it comes. She's shipping it from Michigan to Mobile, Alabama. So it comes, the package says delivered on my phone. I see it, I'm like, oh yay, let's go out. So let me show you a little bit of this little video here. This is me going to the front door. I kind of knew I was scammed, y'all, but I just was like, let me just play this little game here. We'll film it and we'll see what happens. So this is the video of me going to the front door when I thought my package had arrived. Hey y'all, I just got up from a nap. I worked the last couple of nights and this bag supposedly is here. So we're gonna go outside. I want y'all to come with me and we're gonna see what I got here. So let's see what we got. Let's see, I'm gonna turn the camera around for you. All right, y'all, let's see what we got here. Well, there's nothing on my front porch, so that's not a good sign. It was supposed to be delivered by FedEx. So let's walk out my driveway here and see what we can find. I doubt that a large rowan is gonna fit in my mailbox, so I probably have been scammed, which I kinda already knew. Y'all ready? Don't see a large rowan. All right, y'all, yeah, so as you can see there, nothing on my front door, nothing in the mailbox. So apparently the tracking number that she sent me, it got signed for by somebody, and I'll show you the name on here. This was the actual thing that said, you know, your package was received and signed by this person. I don't know that person, never got a package. So I immediately sent her a little screenshot of it and she was like, what, you didn't get it? And I said, now you know damn good and well you scammed me. And I'll tell you a little bit more about that conversation here too, so I'll go over that. But it got ugly from here, y'all, that's all I can say. And I pretty much knew I just needed to end my conversation and contact with her. And I told her I'm gonna blast you all over Facebook and all of my social media that is possible. So here I am doing that, and I'm glad to do it because she was a bitch for scamming me. But yeah, $75 is not the end of the world. And y'all, let me just say, after all that, there was a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel. I actually managed to find this bag that I've been looking for over a year and got scammed again for $75 over on Mecari. So I have the bag here. We're gonna unbox it here at the end of this video. So that is the light of the tunnel here in this situation. And I got it from a really nice girl, and she is out of Colorado, and her name is Brittany Brooms. So Brittany, thank you so much for sending me this bag. And I just know it's gonna be right. I know it's gonna be beautiful. And I know you're legit because I looked at your stuff on Mecari. So y'all don't be afraid to shop on Mecari and these places like Facebook. You just have to be aware of these scammers because it can happen anywhere. I see it all the time. And if somebody sends you something from Mercari, like directly to your email, or if you do Poshmark, if they send it directly to your email, don't ever communicate through that. If they say they paid for something, if you're selling something and you didn't get the money on the app, do not do anything, just ignore it. They're all out there, y'all. Scammers are everywhere, and I'm sure y'all know that if you buy stuff online anywhere. So with that being said, y'all, I'm happy to open up my large denim rowan, the original signature print back from the year 2025. Now this bag is probably pre-loved and it looked really good on the website, so I'm excited to see it. And she packaged it really well. It looks like it got a little squished in the box here, but we're gonna open it up together. All right, y'all, so here is the box that my rowan came in, my actual rowan. This package actually came just today, and I'm gonna open it with y'all. The box is a little squished here, but I'm okay with that, because I just know that Brittany has done a great job packaging it, and I'm gonna have a really nice bag here. And y'all, like I said, I've been looking for this bag for over a year now, so I'm really excited and happy to get it. And I just really wanted it from the time I saw it. I was really hoping that Coach would drop this same kind of bag this year when their denim collection came out, but as we all know, there was no signature denim in this last drop, okay? So let's open this up together here, and let's see what Brittany has sent me. Like I said, thank you again, Brittany. I appreciate you. And here is my bag, y'all. Like, I really feel like crying because, like I said, I've been waiting for this bag for a while, y'all, and nobody seemed to have it. And to get scammed, I got my hopes up, and this lady on Facebook, Sierra Johnson, I hope I never say that name again, but she scammed me. But here's my bag, y'all, and I'm really, really happy. Thank you, Brittany. I can tell it's beautiful already, even in the plastic. So let me take it out here. All right. All right, y'all, here she is. Oh, it's so nice, y'all. I was so happy to get this. Y'all just don't know. All right, y'all, here it is, my large signature Rowan in this beautiful dark denim. Look how pretty it is. If you've seen this bag, you know how stunning it is. I love the leather on it. And this one is simply stunning. Thank you so much, Brittany. This makes my day and my year. Honestly, it does. So I appreciate that. And this bag is going to be really beautiful in my collection, and it's probably one of my favorite pieces. So thank you so much. I love it. This has a little bit of a smell to it. I'm not sure what that is. Probably a little bit of, I don't know what that is, but it's not bad. Just needs to air out a little bit, probably from being in a truck, but let me see what all is in the bag here. So here's the strap. She gave me that too. But everything looks, you know, perfect. She's taking really good care of this bag. I appreciate you, Brittany. Thank you so much. All right, let's get, she stuffed it for me. So it was packaged really well, y'all. So this seller, I'll share her information from Mecari. She did a really great job of packaging this bag here. And here's the interior of the bag. Let me show you the Creed stamp here so you can see it. There is the Creed stamp on it. And it's really nice. It's got some Coach paperwork down on the inside here. Just really nice. I will probably let it air out a little bit, but it's beautiful. I'm happy with it. But it's simply beautiful. I love it. It even came with the little cherry charm on it. So yeah, so you have to be careful because this bag right here, they have replicated, and there are many fakes out, especially on eBay. You'll know because it'll be just a random, like kind of commercially shared photograph of the bag. It won't look like somebody actually on the bag. It's just a, you know, like commercialized shot of the bag. And it usually never has the charm on it, but this one has it. And so far it looks legit, and I'm sure it is. I'm not even worried about that because it's beautiful, but I'm just really happy to have it in my collection. Like I said, everything looks great. The feet on the bottom of it even are in really good shape. So you'll definitely be seeing me style this bag on my channel. But y'all, like I said, just beware that you will get scammed on Facebook Marketplace and some of these places because the scammers are everywhere, unfortunately, for us as consumers. So y'all definitely be safe on those websites. Take my advice, never pay with Apple Pay or Zelle if you can help it. Always use PayPal because you might get your money back. So I appreciate y'all watching my video. And like I said, thank you again, Brittany, so much for my bag from Mecari. You're a wonderful seller, and it got here really fast, and everything looks great on it. Thank you so much. And thank y'all for tuning in to watch this video. I hope y'all got some useful information from my little mistake here, and I've learned as well. So with that being said, if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave and the bell notification. And please give my video a thumbs up. I really need it. All right, y'all. I'll see everybody on my next video review. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.